Welcome to this video tutorial on Microsoft Excel. Today, we will learn how to use Excel's data analysis tool to study the link between a car's speed and the distance it travels. First, let's enable the Excel add-in required for statistical tools. Open Excel and go to the File menu. Choose Options, then click Add-ins. Look for Analysis ToolPak under the Inactive Application Add-ins list. At the bottom, in the Manage box, select Excel Add-ins and click Go. Tick the checkbox for Analysis ToolPak and click OK. You can now see the Data Analysis option in the Data tab. Open the worksheet with speed and distance data from our Grade 10 Unit 4 Statistical Data digital content on the CyberSquare platform. Here, speed, x, is the independent variable, and distance, y, is the dependent variable. Select both columns, copy them, then open the Excel sheet and paste the data there. Let's move on to creating a scatter plot. First, select both the speed and distance columns. Then, go to the Insert tab, click on Charts, and choose the Scatter option. A scatter plot will be generated on your sheet. Finally, change the chart title to Distance versus Speed so it clearly shows what the graph represents. If you want to add a regression line to your scatter plot, first click on the chart so it's selected. Then look at the top menu and go to Chart Design. From there, choose Add Chart Element and click on Trendline. Next, select More Trendline Options. Once you've clicked on More Trendline Options, look at the top of the panel that opens. You'll see a set of icons. Select the one that looks like a bar graph. As soon as you do, a menu will appear. From this menu, choose Linear to set your trendline type. Finally, tick the boxes for Display Equation on Chart and Display R-squared value on Chart. This will place both the regression line and its equation directly on your scatter plot. To check the linear regression coefficients, first go to the Data menu in Excel. From there, choose Data Analysis. A new window will open with different analysis options. Look for Regression, select it, and then click OK. When the regression window opens, you will need to provide some inputs. For the input Y range, choose the column that shows distance, making sure to include the column header. For the input X range, select the column that shows speed, again including its header. After this, tick the box for labels so Excel knows the first row contains headings. Then select where you want the output to appear by choosing an output range. Finally, click OK to run the regression. The regression summary will appear in the cell area you selected. Using the equation y equals mx plus c, shown on the chart, we can calculate and predict the distance. To do this, take the given speed and substitute it into the equation. For example, if the speed, x is 6, place this value in the equation in place of x. Then, carry out the calculation step by step to find the expected distance. And that's the complete process of performing simple linear regression in Excel using the speed versus distance data. In this tutorial, you learned how to enable the Analysis ToolPak, create clear visualizations, add regression lines to your graphs, and interpret the results in a meaningful way. Thank you for watching, and keep practicing to build confidence with these skills.